Last look of my hard work here. My 30 by 50 feet concrete slab. One last look before the install that metal garage. So far they are not here yet. It's kind of late now. They said they will show up lunchtime. It's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. I say 1:30. Oh, 1:12. So that's over lunchtime. But you know, who knows what time they go to lunch. But anyway, for me it's kind of late. So that's our metal garage. I mean, the concrete slab. Okay. Finally, what time is it? It's late afternoon. 4:23, almost 4:30. It's time for me to go home. Look at that building over there that I'm talking about. The new building they're building over there. Wow, it's almost done. So, alright guys, it's a busy week for me here. Yesterday the metal garage guys came around 4:30 and they're starting already putting this up. And then now my lawn mower arrived. My riding lawn mower. He called me, John, early in the morning, like 6 o'clock. Luckily I saw the update on the delivery between 6:36 and 7:36. I have to wake up early, take Cairo out for walking, and then start driving here to the farm. And I got here maybe 10-15 minutes later. John came. Okay, so it's good, and I'm gonna start mowing it. I don't know, work more on my other project over here, the shed for the water pump. Okay, he is here. I'm gonna turn this off. Maybe it's not gonna like works. I mean, they just oh cool. This is the sliding door right here. I mean the roll up door, I believe, right there. So I can use this rough concrete over here to get my tractor inside. But look guys, this is the bad part right here. So I messed up my like what I have expected. My what do you call this now? My measurement was not exactly perfect. So if you can see, that's the, what do you call this now, nuts, I believe. So over here it went over. I mean, I was this side right here, I was a little too long. So yeah, not a biggie one. I can manage that. I mean, so that would be the, but that's a little problem, I guess, because the rain will sit here, get inside the garage. So I need to cut that. I need to rent an equipment to cut it. So not a big deal. Pretty much right here. So cool. It's good. It's over here. It's over here. Actually, they messed up a little bit here. They should really well, I don't know. See, they have right here. They went over here, right here. I don't understand that. And On the other side, we have this, not much. So I don't get that. So maybe they are following their own measurement, I believe. I don't know, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's I could probably do a better job if I have done this myself. I don't understand that. That's the so far the issue that I am seeing. I don't know. It's not a big deal, I believe. We'll see. Yeah, that's fine. It's okay. What you gonna do? It is what it is. 41. So I'm done with the citrus area over here. I did try a few spot over there by the bamboo. That thing is it died so many times. It's struggling. I need a bigger machine. I mean, I don't know. I believe this thing is not too big enough, but I'm gonna do it little by little. I'm gonna take a rest. In the meantime, this is how the middle garage looks like now. We're still working on it. Oops, sorry. It's almost done. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, no complaints so far. I think they'll get this done in a few hours. I believe it's almost done. What they have to do is install the roof and I don't know, the doors and windows. It looks good. It looks good. Looks good. Just only 2 guys working on this thing. My God, it took me 5 months for the concrete slab. I mean the foundation. This guy will takes them like maybe a day. The finished product, guys. It's been 4 weeks waiting since I called them that my foundation is my concrete slab is ready to go. I have to show you something over here that it's one of the rookie mistakes. That's my mistakes with my measurements that what gave me trouble. So but I don't understand. See right here, and then they cut it. I would expect them to like let it go and cover this right here, that let it, the metal overlap this side over here, but they did not do that. So I have to put I don't know what I have at home, something to do with the, I don't know, window, whatever, caulking or whatever, glue, or I don't know if it's gonna work, but that's for now, that's temporary. In an event, we have rain here. I'm trying to what do you call this, avoid rain to soak into that metal. So okay, it's the north side right here. That's the north side. No windows at the back on the north side of this building. No windows, no doors. And rookie mistakes when I do my concrete cutting. See, this one right there. That's a big mistake. I have to. I know what I'm gonna do that. Maybe just put concrete in there, or glue, or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But this is the west side. We have 2 windows. This is facing the entrance into the farm. So we have 2 windows there and another roll up window. I mean a roll up door. There. So I know. Yeah. Oh gosh. See what I did. Whatever. I mean, it's fixable. And I put this lock. Guess what? I broke it. So that's another thing that I need to figure out how to unlock this thing now. Too many things to do, guys. So this is now the south side. As you can see, I have one what's the word now? Entrance door, main door, whatever, and then another roll-up door over here. I was trying to actually install my camera here, but I wasn't able to configure the thing successfully. I gave up. I have to fix my my riding mower, guys. I broke the first day I used it. I broke the blade. I bent it. So this is the inside. I got too many stuff already here. Filled up with garbages already. Too bad. Okay, so let me show you what I did with my riding mower here. I don't know if you can see that. So that blade right there, that is bent towards the ground, guys. You have to take out the whole thing. This. So I'm gonna do that now.